What was this? What's up, Chowderhead? That's my baby. What's up, Miss May? Yeah. You the best dog? Little powerhouse pup. Yeah, Dog's taking a break. Oh, bother. You had to train this one, May, huh? Pulling into the college. Yeah. Must be blowing it over and over to keep the deer off the track. Morning, everyone. Thanks for being here with us. Trying to get some bike maintenance done here. Might put an engine back on this thing. Gotta take the tire off of that rim, the Continental there, and put it on this one here. We've already got the old tire off there. It's all dry rotted, so we disassembled that. I'm gonna check the tube. It may actually still be good, which would help because the back one's flat anyway. So we got some work ahead of us. Yep. Hope you're all having a wonderful morning. Just taking a break here for a minute. Enjoying the bird, or was anyway. Too much noise traffic yet. Traffic noise, I should say, noise traffic. Get a Blake. No, I'm not Portuguese anyway. I'm Greek. Greek and English. Here's May. Yeah, I don't know. I just thought I'd come on and show everybody this. I don't know if anyone's ever seen one before out there in bike land. All you speed freaks, wing nuts, gearhead